Shukor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulaong. Baka Duna ki Pulit hapok ke Jylla ke Jurbaha. Badang hagi ni ki kendiat tayo bala deb. La yoi. Bala la ban penmi ye ke result na ke benta ban tep kam ni ki Pulit. Ke bahadu usi hajar tam Tylli ki pos. Pat yamenta ke sorkar kadang perkat ban Khot tep kam Biang na ke benta ki Pulit. Ke bahadu kat sanspa hadu kan reuspa Tylli ki kam ki bala sateng de ki bon Tylli ki snam. Ban menta ke sorkar kadon haka bor kumta kan ya le ban pendap ya kini ki jaka basuda shisho hakani ke sni uba Prestone ula ongru bahalor ke Duna bha jong ki bor Pulit apo ke Jylla ya kani kadai kat kum ke tip ke bala yo lum ne ke trat Pulit hi bat kumta uba Prestone ula ong bala shimnya karai ban nang pen klan shisho ye ki bor Pulit la kalong ki police station ki police outpost bat wat hadu ki Pulit ki ba pahara haka por menmit kan day ban long arfusau kenta kenang bakan wanra ka jingshinga ni ki pat ba bayang bat bakinam rit mense.
Well, in fact, the shortage is huge. Now we have just, completed the recruitment process where about 1,000 plus appointment will be issued very soon within this month. And then again, now we are in the process of the second phase recruitment. Maybe about 1,500, 1,600 posts, which is still lying for so many years. Now we are on the job. We'll try our best to fill up all these posts. And number two, you understand, that's what I come back to your question. That's why the manpower shortage of manpower is so huge. Because 1,000 plus 1,600 plus means how much? It comes to about 2,000 plus. The shortage of police personnel that we have. Therefore, we have taken a decision from the government and then the Home Department. We will fill up all these vacancies at the earliest possible.
So you also